Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to easily delete your UpScored account. First of all, launch open your UpScored application on your device. Make sure that you're logged into your UpScored account. Once you're logged in, from the home page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on your profile picture. Once you're inside your profile section, go to the gear button at the top right, and this will open up the settings menu. From the settings page, tap on Account Center at the top, and then under Account Center page, you'll see the Delete Account button in red. Click on Delete Account and then enter your UpScored account password to confirm your choice. Once you type in your password, tap on the square box at the bottom to state that you understand the action cannot be undone and click on Delete. In the pop-up, confirm that you want to delete by clicking the delete switch, and then you will be able to delete your UpScored account permanently. If you have any important data or content, make sure to save them before deleting your account, because once the account is removed, it may not be recoverable. Deleting your UpScored account is actually pretty simple once you know where to look. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.